Tonight we've come out to try and target a bass. Pachinko 125 in white, light gear, surface alert, nice and calm, flooding tide. See if we can pluck one out, first chuck. Fish on. Bass, pachinko, off the top. What a beauty. What a ripper, mate. Wiggle, wiggle.
I'm trying for a bass, bob float and sandeel.
Old school. He reckons he might be into a fish here. He's struck something. It might just be a bit of seaweed. I think he might be disappointed here. I don't think there's any chance of him catching a fish. No, not a shot. Ah, he's only gone and nailed it. Big mouth Billy bass. Oosh.